Good morning. It's Friday, May 24th, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Few light showers in the western part of the state this morning, but they're fading out as we get going today. We'll see more thunderstorms move in, though, as we continue through your Friday and into the weekend. Looking out to the west, another active weather day. We see those thunderstorms just beginning to explode in North Mississippi and West Tennessee. So those are going to be strong to severe thunderstorms that will continue to bring more weather issues in that same part of the country that has seen so much over the past few weeks. But once again, looks like we're going to keep most of the severe weather up to our north and to our west. But we'll have a few strong to severe thunderstorms that we'll talk about. Actually had a tornado warning last night up around Murphy, North Carolina, so just on the other side of the state line. And we had a few thunderstorms south of that in Georgia, but none of those turned severe or tornadic. But just goes to show, even late at night, even in the mountains, you could see those tornado-producing storms. Temperatures are warm as we get started this morning, mid-70s over most of the state. A few upper 70s in there as well, low 70s up in North Georgia. Here's our severe weather outlook for today. Level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk. I-16 north, so covering all of North Georgia, most of middle Georgia in there as well. And as I mentioned, that active weather day up toward the Ohio River Valley and Mississippi River Valley, as they're looking at that level 2 out of 5 severe weather risk. Back to Georgia for tomorrow. We have our level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk for southwest Georgia and parts of southeast Georgia as well. And then we put that level 1 out of 5 back up in the North Georgia as we head into Sunday. So we'll just be dodging showers. Again, a few could be strong to severe. Let's take a look at the weather modeling for this morning. Not a whole lot going on. See those light showers that were kind of fading in West Georgia. They may fade back in as that line continues to push toward the east, but not a big deal for at least the middle part of the day today. Later on this afternoon, some thunderstorms could start to develop near Savannah, and then another cluster of thunderstorms beginning to develop in North Georgia. So the atmosphere is just right up there. We have plenty of humidity, have a little bit of lift up there, and more instability in North Georgia than South Georgia. So that's why we'll see those thunderstorms develop later on this afternoon and into the evening hours. Again, a few could be strong to severe, and then we see another line of thunderstorms, a little cluster there over Columbus very early tomorrow morning. And then we see a little redevelopment overnight east of Macon, heading up toward Lake Oconee, up toward Crawfordville and Augusta, up toward Lincoln County. We'll see some thunderstorms very early tomorrow morning. That continues to push through Augusta by daybreak tomorrow. And guess what? Another storm system. This one looks like it's really going to develop. And by about 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, just west of I-85 from Atlanta all the way down toward Columbus. And look at that development. That's a pretty impressive little cluster of storms. So that could bring us some strong to severe storms. Straight line winds will be our main factor on that. So this is 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, just pushing right through the middle of the state and really showing some great definition there. Fading a little bit in the late afternoon hours, but still holding together by 4 or 5 o'clock, heading through Statesboro, still looking at storms up around Augusta and heading toward coastal Georgia. It looks like it's going to be right over the coastline by around 6 o'clock or so tomorrow afternoon. And then we push that out to sea and just looking at some leftover showers and thunderstorms developing on the backside. We get down to extreme South Georgia. They didn't experience those multiple lines that I was showing you. So that means the atmosphere just has energy left in it. It wasn't robbed of any of those storms, so that's why we could see a few of those develop right along the Florida line as we move into the late night hours tomorrow night. So I think most of us will see a shower at some point tomorrow. Scattered showers around on Sunday. Memorial Day Monday could be rain-free for a few of us, but still going to hang on to that rain chance on the board. That continues through Tuesday, and then a frontal boundary is going to really change things up on Wednesday. Going to help drop our temperatures down a bit, drop our humidity down significantly, and bring us sunny skies. So lots to look forward to. Not going to be a rain out this weekend, but we will be dodging showers. Nonetheless, it's going to feel like a summertime holiday weekend here across the state of Georgia. That's the latest from the Georgia Weather Net. Now your local forecast from Northwest Georgia to Southeast Georgia.